dance team in general has just gotten more competitive in the last 15 years, you know. So Minnesota's dance teams are competitive.
The teams moving on to finals are competing first, Eastview, Chaska, Prior Lake, Lakeville North. Competing fifth, tonight in finals. Step forward. Brainerd. The teams that did not finish in the top three will not be announced. A trophy and individual medals will be awarded to the third, second, and championship teams. There was a tie for second place, with both schools having a rank score of 12. Based on the tie-breaking procedures, the third place team stepped to the center. Chaska Wayzata! First place is Eastview.